doing, ma'am? Officer Landry, please.
I'm sorry. Are we blocking the intersection?
No, this is a one-way road. You're going the wrong way.
Yeah, we were supposed to pull on to the left on the next light. Like right after the light on there. I'm dropping him off with his car.
Okay, you meant to get one street over. That way, that goes back and forth. This one, you can only go to the east.
So you gotta go right again?
Yeah, you gotta loop around.
I'm so sorry.
That's all right. You got your license registration?
Yeah, of course.
684. Florida Indian Kilo Delta. Go back 29.
Are you still up on a...
Yes.
You still on...
Tampa.
Do you live in Tampa or you live up in Odessa?
Technically Odessa, but it's a
Okay.
suburb of Tampa. It's near Citrus Park.
Okay, yeah. Where are you looking from tonight?
I was dropping him off at his car, but we were here in Soho. I work at Bartaco and I work at
You work at Bartaco and...
Oh, here it is. Sorry about that. This is from Geico. There you go.
No, this is your registration. Do you have your insurance handy?
I should. I believe so.
Okay.
Sorry,
So you work at Bartaco and you're just dropping him back off in the car and he's got turned around?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Just passed the car.
Yeah, I had to turn it back around so I could get back to his car because he parked over there to the left.
Okay.
Do you need anything? Hold on.
We're still waiting on
Can
your
you look
insurance.
it up on my... I'm so sorry.
I can try.
I have an email. Hold on.
Looking out for me, like,
I apologize. This is really confusing.
Have you been drinking tonight, ma'am? Have you, sir?
Here.
that's why she was picking.
Okay, this makes
Yeah,
sense because I
I'm
can
just
smell
trying to
coming out of the
drive
car.
That's
I'm going to zoom in for you, okay?
Yeah, go right ahead.
Okay. All right, give me 1 second, okay?
Okay, thank you. Do you need me
Now move your registration back. So you're just going the wrong way, but...
I'm so sorry. Yeah, my birthday just passed,
Okay.
so my registration would have expired in March.
Okay.
But just because it's the end of the month, I did get a new one, so that's why it's online.
Okay.
Not the paper one. I just want to make sure that was accurate for you.
Okay. Well, obviously you're driving the wrong way on a roadway in
Yes,
the
of
middle of the night,
course.
so
No.
and the car smells. I'm not gonna lie, the car smells like alcohol. So I want to make sure it's okay for you to be driving tonight. You have anything to drink at all tonight?
No, sir. We'll be turning right, and then we'll go to the back.
Okay. Do you mind stepping out of the vehicle for me, ma'am?
Sure.
1983. Heavy building 14. There's a female sitting on the car back up. Unknown issue, and she's released the lead. She's going to be second here from the husband who's on this call. Search our suspect.
You step right here, that's okay.
Sure.
You want to put your phone in your pocket, that way you're not going to worry about it?
Yeah, that's fine. Do I need to put my
If you want, yeah, you want to throw that back in there. So, ma'am, based on what I'm saying, I'm assuming you are too impaired to be driving, so I want to make sure it's okay for you to be driving tonight, okay?
Yeah.
The first part of that investigation involves me taking a look at your eyes. Do you have any vision issues?
Just my glasses.
Okay, do you wear them from distance or far close?
I wear them from far.
So you need to wear them when you drive?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you have any medical issues that affect your ability to drive?
No, besides me being hypo, I have like issues with my thyroid, but
Okay, you don't need
medication for that
anything that affects your ability to drive when you take that?
No, absolutely
Okay. Can you do me a favor, you turn and face me? Do you have any physical issues?
not that I know of.
You comfortable standing and walking in those shoes?
Sure.
Do you mind taking the glasses off just for this first part,
Yeah.
if you don't mind? We can just put your hands by your side for me. Do you see the top of this pen right here, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it back and forth. You're going to follow with your eyes and your eyes only while you keep your head still, okay?
Okay.
Just keep your head still and follow with your eyes.
Okay.
So slow down a little bit, just keep following with your eyes. Just keep following with your eyes.
Okay.
Good, fall off, keep your head still, okay?
Okay.
have any that know American Sign Language that can help out Union Park?
Do you have anything else tonight, ma'am?
No, sir.
Okay. I'll walk you through 2 more steps to make sure it's okay for you to be driving tonight. Okay? If I was walking on line and standing on one foot, do you mean physical issues prevent you from doing that?
Not that I know of, sir.
Okay.
No.
Do you see this white line right here on the pavement?
Sure.
Okay, you can. What I have you do is put your left foot on the line.
Okay.
Thank you. Put your right foot directly in front of your left, with the heel of your right foot touching the toe of your left. You keep your arms by your side. Oh, hang on one second. Let me explain to you what steer on first, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and put your left foot on the line. Go ahead and put your right foot directly in front of your left, with the heel of your right foot touching the toe of your left.
Okay.
Go ahead, yeah, fix your shoe.
I apologize. I'm so
okay.
sorry. This is so embarrassing. Okay.
All right. So go ahead and put your right foot directly in front of your left.
Okay.
So, but put your right foot in front of your left. There we go. You're going to keep your arms by your side. You're going to stand just like that until you tell otherwise, okay? When I tell you to, not yet, you're going to take 9 heel-toe steps down the line in the following manner. Can each step out loud, okay?
Okay.
Let's go like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way till 9, okay?
Okay.
Once you're at that 9th step, you're going to take a series of small steps to turn around. You're going to take 9 heel-toe steps back down the line. 1, 2, 3, all the way till 9, okay? It's important, once you start, don't stop and keep your arms by your side, okay? Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay, let me get you
9 steps forward and then turn around and then do 9
just
steps
like I showed you, okay? Go ahead and put your right foot in front of your left, and if you don't have any questions, whenever you're ready, you may begin, okay?
Okay, thank you.
685, signal 50.
685, go ahead.
Speaking Howard, Lemon, speaking Maryland 28, 8, Frank, Edwards, 6286, piano blue, 4 Toyota.
Okay, you can turn and face me. You want to tie your shoes again? No, we don't go.
I'm so sorry. This is so embarrassing. Here, I'm just gonna double tie it. I apologize, guys. If you need me to, I'll call an Uber. I don't want any trouble. I just wanted to drop him off.
I'm going to walk you through one more exercise to make sure it's okay if you be driving tonight, okay?
Sure.
Basically, for this next part, you're going to have a choice using your left or your right foot, okay? I'm not demonstrating my right foot, that's what I prefer, but if you want to use your left, that's your choice, okay?
Okay.
Don't do anything yet. Let me show you first, and we'll go from there, okay?
Okay.
So when I tell you to, you're going to lift either your left or your right foot about 6 inches off the ground, keeping that foot parallel with the ground.
Okay.
Now look at the toe of the foot, you're going to count out loud. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. You're just going to keep counting until I tell you to stop, okay?
Okay.
Let's go like this. Don't do anything. Let me show you first, okay? Don't do anything.
So just stand on the one foot?
I'm going to show you, okay?
All right.
Your feet are together, your arms by your side. Foot in the air, level with the ground. You're going to look at the toe of the foot, you're just going to count out loud. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. You just keep counting until I tell you to stop, okay?
Okay.
If for any reason you put your foot down, you're just going to pick it up and keep counting until I tell you to stop, okay?
Okay.
It's
So you just want me to hold my foot up in the air?
Yeah, it's important while you do this, you keep your arms by your side, and you look at the toe of the foot while you count out loud, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions for me?
No, I think that's fine.
Do you want to lift your left or your right foot?
I'm so sorry, my mom is calling me. Can I? Hold on. This is Maddie.
This only takes about 30 seconds,
You know what?
okay?
Whatever you like, sir.
Okay.
I'll take care of this first. This is more important.
Do you want to use your left or your right foot?
I would prefer to use my right because I'm right-handed.
Well,
Okay.
you lifted your left foot. Do you mean your
Well,
left foot?
I mean, I would like to stand on my right, but
Okay,
if
so
you
you're
want me to do left, it's honestly up to you.
It's completely your choice. So you're going to lift your right foot then.
And then just hold it for like, what, 10 seconds or however long you say?
Until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
I believe I'll be okay.
Okay, if you don't have any questions, whenever you're ready, you may begin.
Okay. Ready?
Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Remember, you're going to look at the toe of the foot, and you're going to count out loud.
Okay.
Remember, you're going to look at the toe of the foot, and you're going to count out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
And you're going to put your foot down.
685.
What I have you do is put your feet together, put your arms by your side, and don't move.
This is the turning point. After observing multiple clues of impairment, failing to balance, improper turns, and that initial wrong-way driving, Officer Landry makes his decision. You can see the shift from investigation to enforcement here. It's a tough watch seeing the realization set in for her. But officers have to prioritize public safety over politeness. Do you think the arrest is justified, or was it too harsh?
Right now.
Okay. Is there anything in the
Wait,
vehicle
he's
needs
in my
to...
car. Should I move my car?
We'll take care of your car. Your friend's got to call a ride, okay? We're gonna
Okay,
step back
yeah.
this way.
Can you tell him?
Yep, we're gonna take care of him.
Okay. This is crazy. Can I call my mom?
We'll be able to call her here in a shortly. Not at the moment though, no.
Okay.
Do you have your phone on your person still?
Yeah, my phone's in my
Okay.
pocket.
You want to take it out and try to call your mom real quick? I'm gonna have you sit in the meantime, okay?
Okay, thank you. This is crazy.
I'm trying to find you one right now.
I think my mom's asleep. It's
Okay,
3 in the morning.
we'll call her again here in a little bit, okay?
Oh,
David 5.
David 5.
What was the first 10:15 time, and where was he located at again?
All right, we'll call her in a little bit, ma'am.
Can I call my dad instead?
We'll make some more phone calls. I gotta get you out of the handcuffs in a few minutes, okay? Just sit
Do you have
tight.
a female that could be towards 684 for a search? 15.
Could you tell me what the indication of
Brother, we're not doing court on the side of the road. At this point, like I said, you can work on getting a ride for yourself, and that's going to be the best bet.
David 5.
The first and 15.
To be honest, you're driving the wrong way on the roadway. That's the first. I mean, that's
No,
clear
of
as...
course. Yeah, that's just
I'm sorry, can I?
it's just, did she fail the
The
test
first 10
that you
is going
gave
to
her?
be
You and her can look at the video together and you can decide what you all think. You should be driving a vehicle. Are you called a ride to come pick you up yet?
10:15 time.
Okay, I'd probably go ahead and start doing that. That way you're not out here all night.
Hop out, go stand on the sidewalk over there for me, and then you can
I'm just
start
gonna
working
take
on
the
a
two
ride
cards.
for
I'm
you.
not taking all this.
Okay.
Let's go with cards. Phone, ID.
I didn't get a phone yet.
I got the phone.
309 time, and it's going to be the
Alright, thank you.
21.
Isabella later blew a 0.103% BAC, confirming she was well over the legal limit. What seemed like a simple navigation error, driving the wrong way, is actually one of the deadliest driving mistakes you can make, often ending in head-on collisions. This case highlights how quickly a routine night after work can turn into a life-altering legal battle when alcohol is involved. If you found this breakdown intense, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more raw body cam analysis.